Silk walls, delicate velvet. Many names, one material. Daricco Vegas silver. Let's go! Good afternoon. We open the catalog, choose an uncommon color VS43 and make such a stunning structure of delicate velvet. Here we go. First layer we apply is Daricco Deep. After 3 to 4 hours we proceed to apply our delicate mint green base color paint. We skip the first layer on the drywall. Let's go! We wait for 3 hours and start applying Vegas silver. 4 hours have passed and now we apply Vegas silver using the classic application technique. We start with the first layer evenly, completely covering the entire wall with randomly directed movements. You can start absolutely from any point, from left to right, from the top to the bottom, as you prefer. Our primary task is to entirely fill our base with a pearlescent main layer. The first layer will dry. After 4 hours we start applying the second layer. 4 hours have passed. Now we are going to apply our second and final layer. Here we go. I would like to remind you that we use the classic technique of applying chaotic strokes in different directions. So watch carefully what we do next. Starting from the corner, we move in small squares of about 30 by 30 centimeters. Maybe a little more. It means that we will fill the entire surface with a homogeneous layer and at the same time define our pattern. The strokes can be diagonal with semi-rounded movements. How does your algorithm draw in your head? Just work like that. It's important that the application technique and strokes are as regular as possible and that the layer thickness is the same. This is very essential. Meanwhile, we are filling our surface. The temperature in the room allows us to take our time. So we will return to the starting point a little later. So, after just a few minutes, we return to our starting point and lay out our pattern with chaotic movements. Depending on which direction we move the spatula, this is the effect we will get, like velvet. In one direction it will be of one shade, in the other direction it will be of different color. We leave this part alone, it will be ready now. We're going to refine the bottom part a little bit and what we did last, and bring it all together in one such logical composition. It will take just a couple of minutes. About 5 minutes have passed and now we can complete our composition, our pattern. Everything is very simple, easy and natural. Well, our texture is ready. Look at this incredibly cool pearlescent wall. If you like it, give us a like. If you don't like it, write in a comment what's wrong. Don't forget that we're also on Facebook and Instagram. There is also a lot of interesting stuff there. You were on Daricco channel, the choice of professionals.